Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade slime. Borax, water, food coloring, clear glue, bowl and glitter. Let's start making. First pour the glue. In the glue, pour some water. After pouring the water, add some food coloring and add the glitter. Now mix it well. After pouring the food coloring and glitter, put some borax and mix it well until it gets thicker. Mixing it, take the stick away and mix with the hand. And you will get it like this, a stretchy slime. Store it in this cup and keep. You can play it whenever you want. Colors I have made. Hope you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe it and like it.